Place the ferrule connector and its accessories in the order of the video. Use ferrule connector. Connect the intake steel pipe to the nitrogen inlet. Lock the nut with a wrench. Tighten clockwise. According to the label, connect the compressed air inlet separately with the trachea. Pneumatic cavity cover interface. Adjust compressed air. Finally, plug the power cord into the instrument. Wiring complete. So first of all, here's the interface of the test application. An overview. Penetration. Temperature, humidity, nitrogen flow rate, voltage values, and test status. Below are BC3 chambers. Click to enter and you can see the graph. Click on the history query. You can query the reports and data of the experiments you have done. Point-in-time data tracking in the device settings here. Click PID settings. One temperature and humidity of 3 cavities can be set. Then click Other. Here is the process setting. You can set the temperature control bypass, etc. Test time per process. And gas flow settings. If it is a newly installed instrument, you need to make an aluminum film impact line first. Apply sealant. Apply evenly clockwise along the O-ring. Just apply a thin layer. Gently straighten the aluminum film and put it on. Use your finger along the contact surface of the membrane with the cavity. Gently slide clockwise. Just drive out the bubbles in the contact surface. Cover the upper cavity cover. Just fasten the lower cavity. Click to start the experiment. Select impact line mode. Click OK to start the experiment. End of experiment. It will pop up a window of experimental results. Click OK. Conventional thin film testing. Open the cavity cover. Inject 30 milliliters of distilled water into the lower chamber. Then put the standard film or sample film into the upper cavity. Now for a new sample. Thin film sampling. Place the sample flat on a rubber pad. Pull out the positioning pin. Press and hold the sampler handle. Rotate the hour hand at least 45 degrees. Complete sampling. After sampling is completed, adjust the positioning pin. Return to the original position. Wipe the seal grease clean with a paper towel. Apply evenly clockwise along the O-ring. Just apply a thin layer. The thickness of the membrane determines the amount of seal grease use. Thick membranes increase the use of bee juice. Test face up. The sample is gently aligned and placed on it. Use your finger along the contact surface of the membrane with the cavity. Gently slide clockwise. Just drive out the bubbles in the contact surface. Cover the upper cavity cover. The other 2 cavities are loaded according to the above steps. Click to start the experiment. Here are the parameters for setting up the lab report, including test area, sample thickness, temperature, humidity. Test unit testing sources and testing standards. For example, the temperature is 38 degrees. Select the experimental mode. Lateral membrane. 4 modes of impact line and calibration of packaging parts. Choose according to your own experimental test. Set it up and click OK. Start the experiment. The process is fully automated. Automatic shutdown, real-time display of data and experimental curves. The test results will pop up at the end of the experiment. Click OK. Click on the History query to view the experimental report. The curves of the experiment can be hidden, for example, just by looking through a bright curve. Click to hide other curves. And here's the data for each point in time. Click to generate a report. Then click Export PDF.